Welcome to today's math tutorial. We're going to solve the equation 5 raised to the power a equals 100 to find the value of a. Let's break it down step by step. Let's start with our equation. We have 5 raised to the power a equals 100. To solve for a, we need to isolate it, but it's in an exponent. This is where logarithms come in handy. Step 1. Let's take the logarithm of both sides. Remember, when we take the logarithm of both sides of an equation, the equation remains equal. So we get log of 5 to the equals log of 100. Step 2. Now we can use the logarithm property that states the log of a number raised to a power equals that power times the log of the number. So log of 5 to the becomes a times log of 5. Step 3. Let's evaluate log of 100. We can rewrite 100 as 10 squared. Using another logarithm property, log of 10 squared equals 2 times log of 10. And since log of 10 equals 1, we get that log of 100 equals 2. Step 4. Now we can substitute this back into our equation. We get a times log of 5 equals 2. Using a calculator, we can find that log of 5 is approximately 0.699. Therefore, a equals 2 divided by log of 5, which is approximately 2.87. Let's verify our answer. If we plug a equals 2.87 back into our original equation, 5 raised to 2.87 gives us approximately 100.02. This is very close to 100, with the small difference only due to rounding in our calculations. To summarize, we solved 5 to the equals 100 by, first, taking the logarithm of both sides, then using the logarithm property for exponents, next, evaluating log of 100, and finally, solving for a. This gave us it equals approximately 2.87. Thanks for watching. Remember, logarithms are powerful tools for solving exponential equations. Practice these steps with different numbers to become more comfortable with the process.